Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of always being the one who chases, texts first, and gets ghosted, this video is for you. Today, I'm looking for straightforward yet effective methods to change the dynamics and compel her to pursue you. There are no cheesy pickup lines or mind games involved, just genuine strategies that are proven to work. So if you're ready to level up your confidence, build attraction naturally, and become the guy she can't stop thinking about, let's get into it. Although their reactions may change over time, they might initially feel infatuated with her but later decide she isn't worth it or become distracted by someone else. The nature of your relationship with a woman largely depends on how you treat her during the initial stages of your conversations. Men who never chase are the ones who ultimately win the girl. Additionally, women appreciate when men do not pursue them and are challenging to win over. While initial attraction can be powerful, it's common for feelings to shift over time. What starts as infatuation can fade if there's no substance behind it. That's why how you present yourself and interact in the early stages of communication has a major impact on how a woman perceives and values you. Here are some simple tips that can encourage women to pursue you. 1. Don't be the chaser. In many cases, men who do not make an effort to pursue a lady are the ones who ultimately succeed in winning her over. This paradox often stems from the idea that confidence and a laid-back attitude can be more appealing than overt persistence. When a man allows a connection to develop naturally, it often fosters a deeper attraction and mutual interest. What is the ultimate goal? Being overly eager or available may lower others' perceived value of you. Men who are fastidious, self-assured, and resistant to impressing are naturally more attractive to women. 2. Be a challenge. It is important that you portray yourself as someone who leads a life that is full of significance and rich in plenty. A man who projects power, self-drive, and emotional stability is far more appealing than one who constantly seeks attention. This is because the former is more likely to draw attention to himself. When it comes to giving their time and attention, women are more likely to provide it to men who are difficult to win over rather than men who are prepared to extend it away to anybody. 3. Ask the right questions. Avoid becoming too generic. Go beyond subjects that are only superficial. For example, instead of asking the typical question, "What do you do for fun?" you could ask, "What is your relationship like with pets?" You might ask, "What is a simple thing that can instantly improve the quality of your day?" This behavior shows that you care about her character, not just her looks. 4. Pay attention to details. Make a mental note of and commit to memory the insignificant particulars that she brings up, such as the type of coffee that she prefers, the way that she talks about her family, and a story that she tells in passing. You differentiate yourself from other people by bringing things up at a later time, which provides the idea that you are paying attention to what is going on. 5. Master the art of timing. Knowing the line between the world's coldness and the mystery is vital. If you seem very distant, you may convey the impression that you are uninterested in the interaction. The most important thing that you can do is demonstrate that you are interested in increasing dosages, which should be just enough to capture her attention and leave her wanting more. This delicate balance requires a keen understanding of social cues and emotional nuances. By engaging authentically and responding thoughtfully, you can create a dynamic that invites deeper connection without overwhelming the other person. 6. Be funny, but not cocky. It is a beneficial quality to possess self-assurance. Such an attitude is not in any way arrogant. When used well, humor can achieve remarkable results. It is important to keep a tone that is humorous, respectful, and cheerful. By tempting her with charm rather than ego, it is possible to build a flirty and humorous connection that keeps her engaged. Such an approach may be beneficial to both parties. 7. Start the conversation. Keep in mind that you should not overthink your plan. Instead of waiting for the circumstances to be favorable, you should immediately begin a conversation with the other person. A simple question like, "Hey, what's something cool you did this week?" can easily initiate further conversation. Demonstrate an attitude of curiosity. Always be honest and true. To avoid smothering her, you should provide her with the opportunity to experience your energy. This openness will not only make the dialogue more engaging but also encourage her to share her thoughts and feelings. By fostering a comfortable environment, you create a space where both of you can connect more deeply and authentically. It's not about playing games, it's about understanding human psychology and creating a dynamic where mutual respect and interest naturally grow. Become the individual who does not need to pursue, and observe how many will begin to pursue you. If you found value in this, please consider hitting the like button, subscribing, and activating the notification bell to ensure you don't miss any genuine, straightforward advice. Remember, stop chasing, start attracting. The right energy always draws the right people. If you've ever taken a different approach and made her pursue you, please share your story in the comments section below. Until next time, stay focused, stay confident, and keep leveling up. Peace.
This lover's dream. You take my hand and all of me.